Okay, so hello everybody. Wait lang, kaya ako ang video, something is up.
Hello.
Hello everybody, welcome to our Zero Fox Given Mondays. I am Tina.
And I am Zai. I'm driving, so you just have to keep up with my picture.
Yes,
I'm driving. Charot.
Zai is still a picture for now, okay? Audio lang muna siya. So, hello
Yeah.
everybody and welcome. Happy Monday. It's our like for some this is the second day of the week. For some it's also the first day of the week. Whatever day of the week that is for you, I hope you have a wonderful Monday. And to the Davao
Yeah.
people, I think they're having a wonderful Monday because it's a holiday. Tama?
Yes, and opening yata ngayon ng Durian Festival sa SM Lanang.
Wow, what else is possible? I'm near it. That
Happy
one.
Yaman, Davao.
Happy Karayawan. And I think today is Araw ng Pasasalamat, right? Is it?
Mao ba?
I think
So,
I read
Thanksgiving.
somewhere that it's also Araw ng Pasasalamat. So I think that's a wonderful um, start or a wonderful way to open this short Zoom call, not a short FB live update for all of you about Pasasalamat.
Yeah. So, yes, talking about pasasalamat, what are you grateful for today?
Yes, so true. Just I think 2 days ago we posted something about gratitude, and it's just fitting that today parang we're also reminded again about gratitude, the
Yes,
attitude
exactly.
for gratitude.
Yeah. So, yes, Tina, what are you grateful for today?
I'm grateful for the lots of durian right now, even though it's not yet here with me. And basically, but 'di ba sabi mo since it's the opening, so I'm grateful for that. And I'm also grateful for all the DXN program or updates that we're having together, and grateful for the Fox Tribe. Yon. How about you?
Yes.
Right?
True.
What are you grateful
Yeah,
for today?
I'm grateful for the pritong isda I had for dinner.
Wow.
Of course. Um, I'm grateful for everyone who is working with me in my DXN business. So yeah, my neighbor just purchased another DXN products, and what else is possible beyond this?
Diba? How does it get any better than this?
Yes,
So
I also am grateful for this Zoom, for this FB Live, and yeah, for the Fox Tribe and possibilities.
yeah. So all
Yeah.
our viewers right now, you can also type in what are you grateful for? Because the very why are we sharing this? Because every time you talk about what you are grateful for, you you acknowledge it in your life, and at the same time they become there's gonna be more of that in your life, because sabi nga nila, what you do not acknowledge, it does not exist. So kung hindi mo siya pasasalamatan, hindi siya nangyayari. So we're giving everybody now a chance to just type in what are you grateful for, just thankful for what are you grateful for, and bring in that energy of gratitude in every day, even though you feel so yucky, icky, 'di ba? Hindi naman tayo
Mhm.
'di ba? Even if you don't feel so good, find something that you are grateful for. And yun, kasi
Exactly.
um 'di ba? Ano pa ba maano mo
True.
sa gratefulness?
Because you have 24 hours a day, so a bad day, it's not really, it's a lie, like quote unquote bad day is a lie, because you have 24 hours a day, and I don't think that in your 24-hour life, marag whole day jud siya bad day. So something, there is always something to be grateful about in your 24-hour life. So how does it get any better than that? Take a pause, reset, and take a review of your life today at this very moment. What are you grateful for today?
Yes. So, i-type nyo na. Hindi nagsasalita yung ating 8 million viewers. I-type nyo na. I think Jay is watching. Ate Allen, si Bane is watching. Uh, Dawn is watching. Ayan. So, what are you grateful for? So, just type it in and inspire other people about the things that you're grateful for. So it's one of the ways that we generate when we talk about what we are grateful for, about gratitude. So yun. Yes.
Yes.
So,
Yeah, so talking about subscribe as our as one of the things that we are grateful about, what are our updates?
Ayun. So, ito na yung ating update. So, the title of our, ngayon, yung parang isa sa mga, ang tawag nito? Kasi Zero Fox Given Mondays, this is our like time slot for all of you Fox Tribe people. And for those who also want to join the Fox Tribe, it's also okay. And pero ngayon, yung specific natin na pag-uusapan are just about DXN Fox Tribe updates. And what we're gonna share to you is we're having this a program. So it's another it's a monthly program. So it will just happen once a month, called the Fox Sizzle monthly program. So we'll improve on the call. We'll improve on the name, but it's a Fox Sizzle Day. Parang it's a day where we will just, it's not gonna be a full day, of course. It's a Zoom call for now. Kasi yun nga, marami pa tayong mga restrictions. Some of you are still limited when it comes to, limited in terms of hindi pa tayo basta-basta makababa, di ba? So we'll just make it on a Zoom call. And this is open for our new members, the XN members in the Fox Tribe. Or even if you're not part of the Fox Tribe, if you want to be invited, just give us a message and we can send you a link. Ayan.
Yes. So, 'di ba, imagine Fox Sizzle. So, pag sinabing sizzle, parang nafe-feel ko na ang feeling kapag inaabangan ko ang sizzling sisig.
Oh, yung medyo mainit siya, no?
Yes, at saka mukhang masarap. So, what else is possible? How much fun can we have in our Fox monthly sizzle? Oh, Fox Sizzle monthly call?
So yung gagawin natin sa Fox, for shizzle, mashizzle, di ba? Yung gagawin natin, just know about yan. To know more about, and also to know more about the Fox Tribe. What are we about, or ano yung ginagawa natin? Again, this Fox monthly program, or once a month lang siya mangyayari. This is for you, for those who are interested. So it's not mandatory. And but if you want to grow more, earn more, learn more with us, so we really suggest that you join us. Parang it's an invitation for
Yes,
you.
but if you like fun, true. But if you do not like fun, then don't join. This is not for
Yeah,
you.
don't join if you don't like to have fun, or if you don't want to have money, don't join. Yan yung Huwag ka nang sumali if you don't like money. If you have judgments about, having money, then don't join. Huwag kang
Yes.
sumali.
If you want to shake that judgments about money, if you want to shake that off, then maybe this call is for you.
Yes, this Fox Hazel call is for you. So yun ang ating aabangan sa Fox Tribe. Yun yung ating yung bagong program natin na ila-launch, no? Maybe around late, maybe within August, kasi malapit na siya mag-end yung August. So maybe September na yung first session natin. So, ayun, yun lang. Yun ang ating isang update sa Fox Tribe. And another one is, ano pa ba? Yes, by the way, there were a lot of Fox Tribe people, people from the Fox Tribe joined the DXN Gem Puri workshop with Mrs. Kim.
Wow. Yes, I was there.
Diba, you were
Oh my
there.
God.
We had like 3 sessions already. 2 official ones. Yung first kasi pre-launch yun eh. Ito yung official talaga na classes ni Mrs. Kim for now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yes,
So,
it's really wonderful. So to those who are still, to those who haven't, who haven't bought the Jempuri or Jempuri at saka Miracle.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, but for now, si Jempuri pa ang dinidiscuss masyado na. So, to those who haven't bought yet, you can buy now, I think.
Yes.
Tama ba?
I think pwede
Pwede
pa ba?
pa rin kasi na
You can contact your, so if you're not aware of this, you can contact your area sales coordinator. So kung anong, kayo, area, South Luzon, North Luzon, we have different area sales coordinators. So just contact your service center director or area sales coordinator for more information if you want to attend the skincare workshops with Mrs. Kim. So, what I found earlier, kasi we had one, di ba, kanina, at 1 o'clock, and there were a lot of Fox Tribers there. And there were a lot of Foxes there. And I like that our skincare pala is not just an ordinary skincare. Of course, with the presence of the amethyst, it's never ordinary. Pero the way you will be presenting the skincare, it's not the regular cleanse, tone, moisturize. So, yun yung appreciate ko sa workshop or sa call na yun.
True. And also they can, if to those who have joined who signed up for the webinar, diba? It's another brilliant idea para maidagdag ninyo sa inyong services. Maidagdag natin sa ating services. So, mapagkakakitaan pa rin.
So true.
Diba?
So,
how does it
how do we get so lucky to have a new avenue for us to earn extra with DXN? Kasi if you're someone who's like, for you, tedious sa'yo yung gynotherapy, and you're not much with the body, but you like talking about the face, the skin, so or the beauty outside, then how are we going to take care of our beauty outside sa physical part, then this class is for you. It's also nice. It's a nice balance to what we are taking internally, kasi yun nga, we have been talking so much about gynotherapy, and for me, I super love gynotherapy, but for for this one, this new venture, it's really parang ang DXN, total beauty na talaga siya. Not just inside, but also outside. So, and with the wonderful product set and organic pa siya. So, hindi siya yung, syempre, yung nag-beauty-beauty ka tapos chemical pala yung nilalagay mo sa, ano mo, sa face, diba? So, at least this one, all the extracts are organic and it's really fun. And it's so awesome to be placing the amethyst on your face. How did it feel like, Zai, when you were wearing the mask? The face
Yeah,
mask.
it was nakalagay dun sa instructions na you leave it like you leave it on your face for 15 to 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So,
Yeah.
of course, mas rin akong bata, ginawa ko ng 1 hour. Sayang eh. Hintayin ko pala, mag-dry up siya. But it did not dry up. So, yeah, 1 hour. Sumobra na pala ako ng 1 hour.
It's
Yeah, alam niyo yung feeling na parang gandang-ganda ka sa sarili kaso ang hina ng wifi namin. So, hindi niyo makikita ang maganda kong mukha. Picture na lang muna.
kaya nga hindi makita si Zai.
Yes, pero yeah, true. It's really wonderful, and I think soon, right? We will document it with our Fox goddess Jenny Nala.
Yes, so true. Si Ate Jenny also is with us in this. And marami din tayo. We have Ate Olive, Ate Desai, Ate May, sila Don, Ate Sheba, sila Jabez, Ate Jerry, ayun. Sila Darlene, of course. Ayan.
So yeah, we will be documenting also, 'di ba? Tama ba?
Yes, yes.
On the weekend, soon we will just show off our Gem Puri. Gem Puri sparkle. Like
Yes. So true. All the more na parang hindi ka masyado mag-aano ng makeup kasi your face like feels so parang I don't know. I just feel like parang basta maganda. like right now, I don't have any makeup. So, yun lang. Natural lang siya. Pero
wow.
Wala akong makeup really. Not even. Charot lang. No lipstick. So, yeah. Glow lang. Glow and grow. And of course, a light here. Wala akong ring light. I did that kasi baka masobra ng gano'n na masyado. Very, ayag na dyan siya kaayo, guys. Kung magbutang pa ko ring light. So, huwag na lang daw ang i-reflector.
So, okay ra kaayo. Or you are very...
Si Paulo Suelto daw po, nag-appeal daw. So, mag-ano po daw siya. Ayan.
Yay!
Diba? So, again,
okay, so there.
So that's one of our updates. No, the first one is about our monthly Fox Sizzle program. So if you would like to join our tribe and our community, our growing community of people, if you want to be co-creators of the new earth by being social entrepreneurs, so at the same time, we're earning money. We're not gonna be, because a lot of us, especially the millennials, really love to volunteer. Tama ba, Zai? You want to change the world, and diba? You want to do something that is meaningful.
True.
So you want to do something that is meaningful. And so this community, Fox Tribe community, we will be encouraging everybody to earn well. At the same time, we are contributing to the world. So we're not just gonna be, kasi maraming programs na like you help this, parang ang tawag yan, meron kang mga foundation and all of that, and you have to ask pa money from other people. And yes, our mom really taught us not to be like that. Like, kung pwede, if you want to help, use your own money. don't ask money from other people. Parang yun talaga yung isa niyang kabilin-bilinan. Sabi niya, you guys always want to help, use your own money. So, yeah, hindi tayo mag-ask from other people for money or
Yeah.
donations.
So,
It's
ayun,
really better to help if it's from us.
exactly. So dun pa rin tayo sa you cannot pour from an empty cup. You
Yes.
cannot give what that you do not have.
And
That
it's another reminder for like yung sinabi ni Dr. Lim that 'di ba sa question mo yesterday, your question was how do we know that Sunya is working, or what has been the benefit of Sunya for a lot of people who have been doing Sunya. So sabi ni Dr. Lim, you can see it on the results about them having peace and prosperity in their lives.
exactly.
So
So
we have
there.
Yes. So, meron tayong mga comments below about maganda din ang M Miracle Foam Cleanser. So, si Don and Darlene, they're using the M Miracle series. Kami nila Zai, we're using the Gem Puri series. So, we have parang separated. And currently, Zai is doing the Gano Shii series for now, right, Zai? Pero hindi pa nag-start yung kay Zai.
Yet, I shall start pa. So, tinry ko muna siya with the aloe V.
Yeah.
Aloe V.
But Zai already experienced the aloe V. Ako, si Darlene. And Zai is now exploring the Ganoshi. Then, ano na yan, onwards na yan siya. Because, again, one of our main in DXN is use, share, and build. Ito yung very simple natin na minsan nakakalimutan ng lahat. How do we start in DXN? Number one talaga po, if you are new to DXN, or even if you're old to DXN, kung matagal ka na, remember to always use our products first, because your story about the product is more, potent. yung
Exactly.
mas madali na lang madali na lang siya ibenta. Like, you don't even have to sell, because you're like sell without selling, because people see the results. Like, when they see you glowing, what are you using? O di Ganoderma. I'm using Gem Puri, ganito. Depende sa anong ginagamit mo na product. Ayun. So, you get more clients, or not clients, you get more business partners that way. So always use the products. Okay, be the product of the products. Yun talaga. Kasi instead of hiring celebrities, no? Ikaw yung magiging endorser. Diba, Shanyor?
Oo, si Liberty na lang daw.
Ang alin?
Si Liberty, celebrity din naman.
Oo, si Liberty na lang muna. Huwag ka na muna mag-ano ng celebrity. Si Liberty na lang muna. O, diba? So, diba, you become the model. You become the endorser. So, you're not gonna spend so much money in having other people to endorse it for you. Use it first, and then people will endorse it for you when they see also the results, and then they will use it.
Exactly. So fall in love with our DXN products first.
Yes, so true.
Parang like relationship. Fall in love with yourself first before you can get into the relationship. Charot.
Yes.
So it's like,
diba? Siyempre, bago ka makakonvince ng ibang tao na sasali sa'yo sa DXN, of course, you have to also check the company, check everything in and out. Kami ni Zai, we have already like turned tables and all of that. Like, just experience DXN every day. And yan. So, and how it will match your reality and your experience and what you like. So, imamatch mo yung sarili mo sa company if your values matches with DXN values. And for us in the Fox Tribe, we truly enjoy the values and the principles that DXN has been imparting on us. So, ayun. So, yun yung ating mga telltale signs or one of the ways that we can ensure that we are moving forward with our business. So yon. Ano pa bang updates natin?
yes. Also, and also be a contribution to your DXN business. Like if you feel like because there are also days na parang you feel like it's my DXN business is not moving. So you can also ask what can you contribute to your DXN business, diba? Just so you don't feel the pressure or you don't feel really down because of your like hindi masyado maganda ang bentahan sa ganito ganyan. So yeah, you have to be also clear to yourself what you are up to. What be a contribution to your business.
Ayun. So, yes, thank you for that input, Shanier, about being a contribution to your business. Not just you asking for what DXN can contribute to you, but also you yourself. Diba? What can you be a contribution? So, yes, what else is possible and how does it get any better than this? Yun. So, ano pa ba?
Fun lang. So yes, join our tribe, join
So,
our growing
for people who
tribe.
haven't signed up to DXN, if you're watching us all the time and joining our programs, we are also inviting you to join our tribe if you are not yet a member and of DXN. Just message us. We have a team to support you, and we have a lot of online programs for you. You're not just growing yourself. If you join the Fox Tribe, you're not just growing yourself in terms of learning about the DXN company, but you're also learning different tools and techniques about life and how we can contribute not just to ourselves, not just to our community, but to the world. So, yan yung ating isa sa mga goal, not goal, but isa sa mga targets in the Fox Tribe community. So you also have people around you that can contribute to your business if you want to earn more and if you need support and parang guidance. So we have like guidance counselor, joke lang. We have a lot of people who can contribute to you kasi we have a wide range of team na iba-iba yung kanilang expertise. So some people they're an expert in numbers, other people in our team are expert in social media. Some people are also experts in self-mastery, personal development, ganito ganyan, management, business. So you can get support with us. So with that, we will also introduce to you different programs that we have for you na libre. It's all for free. That is connected to the Fox Tribe. So we have different kasi groups and community that we incorporate with the Fox Tribe. So yun. Ito lang, yung Fox Tribe lang is more business-oriented in a sense that we want that when we gather, kasi di ba kung nag-gather na lang tayo, maganda din yung nag-gather. But at the same time, everybody in your team is also earning. Hindi yung isa lang yung nag-earn, dalawa lang, but we're also encouraging that everybody also partakes in the profit. So yun. And how much fun can you have if everybody is earning so much? So, yun lang. And at the same time, you're earning and you're contributing.
Yes, and dagdag ko lang, how much fun can we create if we were crown ambassadors? Diba?
So true. So our target here as the Fox Tribe is really the crown ambassador. And yes, and being that.
Totoo. So yeah, it's really wonderful. This is a wonderful opportunity for everyone who is watching us. If you have like if you are interested, you can just send us a message. We are willing to assist you and to contribute to you. So yeah, ang aming question palagi is what can we contribute to you? So please don't hesitate to contact us. Ganun lang yon. Yeah, what can we contribute to one another?
So true, so true. So
Aside
marami din tayo mga iba't ibang topics. Hindi lang tayo, puro business or money. We're also talking about, again, life, relationships, ganon, mga anti-pokmaro tips kung meron, kung kailangan. 'Di ba? So, kung paano maging strong sa mga gano'n na mga moves, oh, 'di ba? Meron din tayong mga experts sa
Kung
ganyan. Okey lang.
paano na kape yung boyfriend ng ex mo, gano'n.
Oo, paano mo bentahan yung mga ex, ganyan.
Mm.
So, gano'n lang tayo and, just have fun with your business and yun. We're also just having fun with our business and at the same time, we're just inviting everybody to join us. So if it's fun and light for you, do join us and, yeah, we hope to see you soon in our programs. So we will be announcing our different programs, tama ba? So just to give you a heads up, so every Mondays, we have this 8 p.m. at the Fox Tribe. And then at 10 p.m., Monday pa rin, we have another event, another FB Live called the Midnight Unicorn Club. So Zai, what's happening on Wednesdays?
That later, Midnight Unicorn Club at 10
10 p.m.
p.m. Follow Mystic Angels. That's MYSTIQUE space angels. So yeah. And then on Wednesdays, we have Zoom calls or webinars. Alam ko na paano gamitin ang webinar. So yeah, at 2 o'clock we have Sisterhood of the Rose. We honor the divine feminine during that time, and then at 3 we have Get Happy Unicorn, where we get to talk about life and whatever you want to talk about at that time, whatever you want to, yeah,
Clear.
clear, yes, in your life, be it finances, relationships, judgment to selves, whatever, lies, choo. So yeah. And on Thursday,
Yeah.
yes, Tina,
Sige. On
what's happening?
Thursdays, we have Tea Time Thursdays every 3 p.m. Sino ba yung ating tea time ngayon? Is it Ate
Nita, per
Grace na? I think Ate Grace na.
continuation ng conscious parenting.
Oh, so
Uh,
Ate Yasmin.
no, at Teacher Nita.
Teacher Nita para. Sige. So, ayun. So, 3 p.m. still with Teacher Nita and a continuation of her talk. So, did you confirm?
Not yet. We
Okay.
shall
We shall
hear this.
confirm. So, basta meron kaming Tea Time Thursdays, 3 p.m. So, in that space, we talk about anything. But last week, we talked about conscious parenting and super ganda ng talk na yon or work call na yon. So, if it's easy for you, like if you're available or make sure you can be available during the live sessions. Although naman, we also record it via we also post the recording sa YouTube. So, yun lang. Stay tuned lang for the YouTube recordings. Or you can follow the Fox Tribe and subscribe sa YouTube YouTube namin. So, Fox Tribe. Yun lang. So, search mo lang. Maraming Fox Tribe sa YouTube. So, Fox Tribe, hanapin nyo lang kami and use your intuition kung saan kami doon.
Right. Yes. Also, I just want to add, it's also better to that you join us sa webinar on Tea Time Thursdays also. Kasi lalo na yung about conscious parenting. If you are a parent and you enrolled your children in this school year, so how are you going to handle, 'di ba, the stress of having these kids or like digital learning, my god. So yung mga challenges, it can really assist you. It assisted me sa first week pa lang. So first week pa lang ng kanyang webinar. So yeah, I think it's also good if somebody is watching right now and parang is also having a hard time sa kanyang anak ba or sa kanyang alaga, kasi nakaka-stress talaga. So you join us. You join us with Teacher Nita on Thursday, 3
Ayan.
p.m.
Yeah.
Yes, and what's gonna happen on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday?
So Friday wala pa. Friday wala. Yeah, wala pa tayong Friday, but Ay, by the way, ano pa ba? Wala pa tayong Friday. We have Fox Tribe Core though at 5 p.m. But that one is an exclusive call for people who are really committed with the DXN business. So it's an exclusive call that we have. And yeah, also we have, don't forget, Wednesdays, 8
Yeah.
p.m.
3 Fs.
Yes, the 3 Fs, the Fun Field Freedom Night. So if you're a DXN distributor, even if you're not our team, we are encouraging for you to join us every Fun Field Freedom Nights. You can sit in, although we have councils in set already, nakaset na yung council namin. But you can join and jump in and, because we have interesting topics every Wednesday. Iba-iba yung aming topic. So you can learn something new.
Yes. So, and on Sunday, on Sundays, we have Sunya Sundays at 2 p.m.
Yes, we will be translating Dr. Lim's videos of his Sunya talks every Friday. Not just translate, but more of we will be we will interpret it in our local language, but more of Taglish siya, this Taglish. So magbibisaya kami, magtatagalog pati English kasi we have mixed, viewers. So yun lang, just to give you more yeah, inputs. Kasi, syempre, kung i-English lang namin, edi
Yun lang.
same lang.
Anyway, pero yeah, we're just showing up, and we hope that you would still subscribe to our Sunya Sundays at 2:30 p.m. here
Yes.
at X Drive. Yes.
Yeah.
Magpasaya ng aming Tagalog. Pero mahal namin kayo.
Mahal namin kayo kahit minsan nag-English kami. Pero marami din kasi kaming viewers from different countries. So that's why we also speak in English. And I know naman that Filipinos are also, well-versed naman in English. But of course, mahal din namin ang ating sariling wika. Yun nga lang, pag gagamitin namin yung aming native language, which is Bisaya. So, ambot lang, kung makasabot mo tanan. So, murag Mindanao, Bisaya, siya makasabot sa amo. Diba?
Yeah. So, what else is possible?
Pero lang, we're just, playing with the language and the whatever mode of communication we can use that can contribute to you to reach more people. Ayan. So, thank you so much for staying with us. We're like almost 40 minutes to our show. And usually we just
Yes.
talk for 30 minutes or so. And not just less than an hour. Yun lang yung aming mga goal dito sa Fox Tribe. Zero Fox Given Mondays. So,
yes. I'd like to add, sorry. I'd
yes,
also like to add, if you have questions about Sunya, or anything that is related to Sunya meditation, do not hesitate to send us a message so we can assist you with your practice. Kasi we really love to like DXN, we'd love to ano tawag nito, yung ipalaganap ang Sunya meditation sa Philippines and outside.
yes.
How does it better than that?
So true. Thank you for adding that. That's very important. So with that, thank you so much. And yes, we're ending our call today. So thank you, Zai, for being with me, even though you're just a picture for now.
Yeah.
And to all our 12 million viewers. So kanina umabot tayo ng 12 million. So hello. And yes, thank you for watching us and thank you for taking your time for being with us. And yes, just to remind you, what are you grateful for today? Even if you don't type it, just say it silently in your hearts or in your mind to share about, what are you grateful? Not share, but to audit your life and check what are you grateful for today.
Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for joining us in Zero Fox Given. This is Zai.
And I am Tina, and we're signing off. See you. Blessings.